course, we didn't know any better. That's all we'd ever done, you know. I've never been off the farm. I mean, I remember back when I was knee-high riding my granddaddy's knee through the cow fields. I mean, we were out there that young at 5 and 6. We were working, doing something. You could pick up eggs. You could, at 7 and 8, you're raking hay and driving the truck down the center of them. I mean, they had a job for you somewhere, I promise you. And we knew nothing but work, like I said. You know, then we didn't use the herbicides we use now. So like our soybean fields and all, we had to walk them after they plowed them. And any weeds in the middle, you pulled them out and dropped them down the road, you know. It just, everything has changed, you know.
And some of it's been for the good, but obviously
Yes.
some of it has been not for the good.
Yeah.